Hopefully this video is helpful to anyone looking to put PMD or Pontiac Motor Division seats into their car. So first thing is the rails. The seat you see here was a power seat, and all I did was take the rail off of it and use the rail from my 1992 Trans Am, bolted it right on, and there's the power one right there, and it works just like a manual seat does. I didn't want power seats, so we just went back to using the rails I already had in my car. I'm 99% sure all of the rails from all 4th gens or 3rd gens are compatible and able to swap onto the bottom of the power seats of the 82 Trans Am. While it's off, it's a good time to re-lube it, get some grease in there to give it smooth operation once it's into the car, make it feel a lot more new. Also, if your car is having a hard time moving up and down its rails because like you pull the lever and it just won't go, it's probably because of this right here. You see this wire that leads from here to here? It stretches over time. What happens is when you push the lever, it pulls this back off the rail, and if that little edge right there doesn't clear it because it's overstretched, you're not going to be able to move the seat front to back. So all I did was get a piece of steel wire, run a new cable right through it, bend it back, and now it's tight enough to more than clear the rail. It should give me some like 10 years in that cable right there. The PMDs are totally worth it. I understand completely why people cough up big money for these seats. They pretty much are the best OEM seats in my opinion. As soon as I got in the car, started driving it, I noticed an immediate difference. You sit a little higher, they are a little wider. They're not really bucket seats. But the headrest is totally worth it. The back padding to them is a lot more comfortable, and I just feel a lot more, I don't know, direct into the car. It's hard to explain. Versus the stock seats that I had, which I kind of like dip myself into the car. I don't really like that feeling. It's more of like a lowrider feeling versus these, which is more, I don't know, it contours better to my posture, I guess I would say. And they just look a lot better in my opinion, but to each their own. The swap was pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about putting PMD seats into your F-body, just let me know. It took me and my brother about an hour to do the swap. It really is just 4 bolts on all 4 corners to get these seats in there. And the conversion from power to manual was really simple. If you would like to see more content like this, or you found this video helpful, or you feel like I earned it, I would appreciate a like or a subscription. I'm trying to build the channel. Currently right now, my 92 Trans Am, I'm slowly patching it together. And then my brother's 82 Trans Am, we're engine swapping that one, putting an old school 327 in it. And if you just kind of like to see those things and see old cars saved from the junkyard, you're going to see more of that come up on this channel.